Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE and this is another tech tip. Today we're discussing how to send a weekly email using the autoresponder feature in Zoho CRM. So this is great if you need to send a regular email to a small group of people in your CRM. They also have autoresponders available in Zoho Campaigns, which is another one of the Zoho apps included in the Zoho One suite. And that's better suited to bigger lists and newsletters. Okay, so we're going to the contacts module of Zoho CRM, and over on the right under the actions button we click on autoresponders. Okay, this just gives you some information about the autoresponders. You do have a limit per day and a limit on the number you can create there. So we'll click on create autoresponder. So we need to give it a name, so let's call it weekly check-in. Now I'm in the contacts module, I'm the owner of this. Now this is important here, the custom view. So what this means is any of the views you've created in contacts, so if you've created a view for your current clients, then it will be available in here. Okay, so you can actually send this email to that whole list of people in that view. Okay, so just make sure you've created your view first. So I'm going to send this one to current clients. Folder is just the folder of this particular autoresponder. Then we'll choose dynamic, and this is where I can choose the recurrence. So I'll set this to occur every 7 days, and let's say I want to start it this afternoon. Let's say 5 PM. Okay, and end date, so I can choose an end date. I can also have no end date if I want it to be ongoing. Then we choose our email template. So here this is showing you any of your normal email templates that are set up here in Zoho CRM. So just create that template first. So use this one. Then I choose my from address. So if you've got multiple users in your system, we've got some organizational email addresses set up, you can use those, otherwise it will just default to your own address. And you can also set your reply to address there as well. And then interestingly, you can also do a follow-up email. Okay, so that can be quite useful. But here what we've set up in summary is just a simple weekly email. So it will go once a week. It's going to start today, so it will occur, so today's Friday, it's going to occur every Friday ongoing, and it will go at 5 o'clock. It will send out the weekly check-in email. So that's quite a useful feature. It's quite easy to set up as well, so it's a little bit less complicated than doing this in campaigns. You don't have to worry about creating sync lists and matching up your contacts. And the main thing here is just to have a look at your custom view. Just make sure you've got the right contacts in whichever view you choose there. Okay, so if you need to double check, go back out to contacts and then change the view to current clients, and just make sure all those people are the ones that you're expecting to get this email. Okay, so I hope that's been useful, and I'll speak to you next time.